As the winter chill sets in, nurturing your skin becomes paramount. ABC juice, a blend of apple, beetroot, and carrot, emerges as a natural and delicious medicine for a radiant complexion during the cold months. Hello everybody, I'm Tanya and I'm a nutritionist. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make ABC juice for glowing skin. Watch this video to understand what is ABC juice. So let's learn how to craft this nutrient powerhouse. Crafting this nutrient-rich beverage can infuse your skin with vitality and nourishment. So here's how you make nutrient-rich ABC juice. You have to begin by hand-picking fresh, vibrant apples, firm beetroot, and crisp carrots. Now you got it. A, B, C. Apple, beetroot, carrot. And then also opt for organic produce because it has higher concentration of skin-loving nutrients. Next, we come to preparing the ingredient. Wash and scrub the fruits, vegetables to remove the impurities. Peel the skin from beetroot, carrot, but leave the apple skin intact because it contains beneficial antioxidants. Now cutting and slicing. Slice the ingredients into smaller chunks for easier juicing. This helps in the extraction process and ensures a smoother blend and efficient extraction of nutrients. Now comes the juicing process. Utilize high quality juicer to extract the goodness from apple, beet, carrot and ensure that the portion is balanced to ensure harmonious blend of flavors. Combine the extracted juice in a pitcher and stir gently to achieve a uniform mixture. This amalgamation ensures even distribution of nutrients for maximum skin benefits. Enhancing flavors. For an added touch, consider infusing the juice with a hint of ginger or a dash of lemon juice. These elements not only elevate the taste but also contribute to additional skin enhancing property. Serving fresh. Serve the freshly prepared ABC juice immediately to retain its nutritional potency. Drinking it immediately after preparation ensures the highest intake of essential vitamins and minerals. What is the best time of consumption? The optimal consumption of ABC juice for glowing skin is in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of nutrient and promotes a radiant complexion throughout the day. Consistency is the key. To witness the full benefits, embrace consistency in consuming ABC juice. Regular intake coupled with a balanced diet amplifies the effect on skin health, hydration and lifestyle. Complement the intake of ABC juice with adequate hydration and holistic lifestyle. Hydrated skin is radiant skin and lifestyle choices play a pivotal role in skin health. So this is everything about ABC juice, apple, beetroot, carrot. Hope you will give this a try and don't forget, being consistent is the key. Don't forget to share this video and make sure that you subscribe.